After more than 2 decades, the Honda Prelude is back, and it's unlike anything we expected. Welcome to Drive Domination. Let's dive into the all-new 2026 Honda Prelude. The 2026 Prelude brings a sleek, sporty look. It's got a fastback silhouette, wide stance, and slim LED lighting, giving it futuristic vibes with classic coupe DNA. Honda's clearly aiming for style and aerodynamics here. Now, here's the twist. Under the hood is a hybrid powertrain. It combines a 2-engine with 2 electric motors, delivering around 200 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque. No manual, instead you get simulated gear shifts with paddle shifters and a new S+ shift mode for a sportier feel. Inside, it's modern and clean. Digital gauges, a floating touchscreen, wireless CarPlay, and Honda Sensing safety tech all come standard. The seats, sporty, supportive, and premium, just like a coupe should be. But here's the catch. Some enthusiasts feel let down. No manual option, and power is tame compared to rivals like the GR86 or BRZ. Still, as a daily hybrid coupe, it's practical and sharp. The 2026 Prelude isn't trying to be a track monster. It's a smart, stylish hybrid with enough edge to stand out. For around $30,000, it's a bold comeback from Honda, and a fresh choice for drivers who want both style and sustainability. Would you drive the new Prelude? Tell us in the comments, like, subscribe, and hit that bell only on Drive Domination.